Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to file Chapter 13 with no money in 2025. If you're drowning in debt and feeling stuck without any spare cash, this video is for you. Let's break it down step by step so you can understand your options clearly. First off, what's Chapter 13 bankruptcy? It's a legal process designed for individuals with a steady income who want to reorganize their debts rather than liquidate assets like in Chapter 7. In 2025, with updated bankruptcy laws, it's more accessible, but you need to act smartly, especially if money is tight. The big question: can you file without any funds? Absolutely, but it requires some planning. Start by gathering your financial documents, things like pay stubs, tax returns, and a list of creditors. These are crucial for your petition. Now, court filing fees can be a hurdle, but many courts offer fee waivers for low-income filers. You'll need to complete a form proving your financial hardship, which is often available online or through legal aid services. Next, legal help is key. And here's the good news: you don't have to pay upfront. Look for pro bono attorneys or legal aid organizations that specialize in bankruptcy. They can guide you through preparing your repayment plan, which is the heart of Chapter 13. This plan typically lasts 3 to 5 years and adjusts based on your income, allowing you to catch up on debts without losing your home or car. A few tips for 2025. Check for any new eligibility rules, as the laws might have changed to include more support for low-income individuals. Always credit counseling first. It's often required and can be done for free or low cost online. Remember, filing stops creditor harassment through an automatic stay, giving you breathing room. But hold on, this isn't legal advice. Bankruptcy is complex, and mistakes can be costly. Consult a certified professional to tailor this to your situation. In the comments below, share your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and let's tackle those debts head on.